Alright guys, in today's video I am going to be replacing my backup camera. And just to give you an idea of why I'm replacing it and what it's doing, I'll put it in reverse so you can see that when it comes on it's upside down. And this is one that I've already replaced with a used one from eBay, and it somewhat worked for the most part, and then it just either wouldn't work. It was where it was a black screen, or it would do this where it's been upside down. And lately it's just been upside down. So in order to do this, pop your trunk open, and then these clips that go around this comes off. Clip here, one here, here, this one comes off. I've already tried this, obviously you can tell it doesn't sit on there very well. Take all this off, and then another one right here. So we're gonna start by doing that. Alright, so once you get that off, what you gotta do is disconnect this right here. Then you're going to pull this off, just like that. And then up in here, I'll try and give you the best angle I can. There's a screw here and a screw here. They're two small Phillips, I want to say. It's hard to tell. It's either a Phillips or a Star. I want to say it's a Star. So once you get those two screws off, it'll take your backup camera right out. And just same process to put it back into place. Just be careful you don't lose those screws because they're very tiny. Alright, so we got the new one in. I did notice one thing though. With the new one, it did not come with this little clip right here that holds the cable from flopping around. So I cut it off the old one, and I mean, it's not on there the best. It's just kind of wrapped around. Where I cut it off, I kind of just clipped it on as best as I could. As I can see, it already come off a little bit, but you know, it's not perfect by any means, but it's better than just letting it dangle. It should work a little bit at least. Plus you have, you know, your cover there to help hold it in place a little bit better too, so it doesn't get crunched on anything. But I did that, so here's the moment of truth. Let's find out if it actually worked. Perfect, look at that, it's like a brand new camera now. Alright guys, that's all I got. So if you like the video, please subscribe, like, comment, everything else, you know, it would be really appreciated. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.